Hi, this is Lisa Savage. I'm a candidate for the U.S. Senate seat of Susan Collins under ranked choice voting. I'm here today to have a conversation with Dr. John Kazilionis. He's a private practitioner here in Maine who started practice in 1976, and he is here to talk to us a little bit about the current crisis of healthcare here in Maine.
Healthcare should not be a for-profit industry. And I think that if we continue going the way that we're going, we'll end up bankrupting this country just for healthcare alone. And it's not fair to the younger people and people with a lower income because the premiums they pay are outrageous. And that is blatantly unfair.
What should we do?
I think we need a single payer system because what is currently happening is not at all reasonable for the American people. I've never been huge on the government trying to be in charge of our medicine. But at the same time, what we're currently doing is such a dismal failure, and both parties have failed terribly.
It's certainly interesting for me to be running against the least popular senator in the nation. It's certainly been interesting to see the front runner that's running for the Democrats take just as much corporate money as the incumbent does.
I would like to say one more thing about the pharmaceutical companies, if I could.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
I have a friend who is involved with a hockey team that went over to Europe, and he became aware when he was over there that his EpiPen, which is a medication that's used for acute life-threatening allergic reactions, had expired. And here in the United States, one of these pens cost $600. He was in Hungary. It cost $40.
Wow.
That's a fine example of what the two primary candidates that are running against you have fostered and foisted upon us.
Well, thank you, Dr. Kazilionis. It's been great speaking with you, and thank you for your support of our campaign to elect a senator for the people.